Mixmaster.
Set this to 4, which will be 1 beat. So this is the same kick, but now what we've done is we've used a filter envelope on it to make it so you can only hear the first bit, and then by using a filter envelope as well instead of a volume envelope, it gives us a lot less of a cut off. It makes it sound smoother. So what I'm going to do now is bring up the amount, and then you can then find a happy area where you'd want to use or hold this filter instead of using the full gated kick version. So that's with it. This is with it off. This is all the way on, and then you can just dial it in. And then you can change the tension here. So that's really good tip for using it if you want to layer kicks as well. So you could, if you liked the click or the beginning bit of that, you could use that. But then of course if you want to use more of it, have it more banging, then you can do that as well. But yeah, the same can be done with the volume envelope. But yeah, this is a very good tip for anyone that's using samples. It's very important really, so that you get a clean sound. So here's the bass here. We can add something called fruity balance. So I'm just going to do it again so you can see what I'm doing. So in Fruity, we've got something called Fruity Balance, and it's basically a volume control. And from here, we can create an automation clip. We create an automation clip by right-clicking it and creating an automation clip. And then this comes up. So at the moment, all I want you to look at is this and this bass here. So we just go down to 1 beat. So this is the 1 beat. And then what we can do is we can bring down this, which will affect the volume from 0, and we'll bring it up to, I'm just going to put this to 80% so I can make this maximum because it's easier. So now it needs to go the opposite way. I always get that wrong. And then what we can do is we can change the curve of it and bring back in the kick, and then just copy and paste that over and bring the rest of the bass back in. So then you can mess around with it and see what kind of a sound you get out of it. So it gives you more of a bounce, gives a bit more energy then. So you can have a mess around with that, do it however you want. But that's basically what LFO Tool is doing, or any of those are the sidechain plugins that you have are actually doing. It's just basically a volume envelope, and that's actually what compression is as well, strangely enough. You can now have multiple arrangement windows. So I always have like the main one would be the arrangement window, the standard, the default one, and then you go to add one, and then I always call one edits, so I can quickly switch my view between anything. So I'll just grab this, cut that, and then pop it into edits. Now this will be in my edits folder, but it's out the way when I'm on my main arrangement view for when I start to arrange my full track, and that way I can guarantee that I'm not going to forget what I'm doing or get sidetracked or distracted by all the different edits. And you could even have another one, you could call it ideas. You're not sure what it is that you want to do yet, so you can throw loops in and have all your ideas in that area, and it just allows you to have a much more simplified workspace in which to work. So if I'm doing a loop session, I'll go through and I'll find all of my favourite loops from a new sample pack that I've just bought. So I'll put them all in. Hang on. So yeah, I like that one. And then next one. And that one. Alright as well, and I'll put this one next to it. Like that one, so I'll pop that one in, and then next one. Quite like that one. And what I'll do is I'll have them all in my project side by side next to each other. So and then what I'll do is I'll go through the entire sample pack, find every single one that I like, and then what I do then is I render them all down as one big long audio file. So if I do that here, render this as, I'll call this fave loops, and then probably this, which sample pack it was that I got it from, sample pack March 2020, and then make sure that I'm not adding any other processing to it, so no insert effects, no master effects, and then I will have them all as one big long file.
Hi, this is Roger Sanchez.
Hi, this is Lenny Fontana.
Hey guys, this is Jackie.
Hi guys, Amber D here.
Hi, I'm Paul Maddox.
This is Satek. Hi, this is Kyle V, and you're watching
Mixmasters TV,
Where you can access world-class producers in your studio
every single day.
Mixmaster.